Hello, welcome back. I know I made a similar video not long ago, but I was making these earrings and thought I'm gonna share it as a tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Start with 3 beads and then pass both ends of your cord through a new bead. Make sure your beads are in the center of your cord and both sides have the same length. 1 bead on each side and pull both ends of your cord through a third. Let's repeat this 2 more times. Here we only have to add 1 bead to the left cord. And so on. Just follow along with me and the images on the side. As last step, we have to connect the end to the beginning, like this. Make sure your heart isn't twisted. Then I make 2 knots and secure them with glue. When you have 2 hearts ready, place them in front of you with the knots facing up. So when we fold them together, the knots are hidden. Take a new piece of cord and pass it through this bead. Add a new one, and then pull your cord through the same bead on the other side. Then pull both ends of your cord through a new bead. Then we continue by pulling our cord through the next 2 beads. The beginning can be a little bit tricky, but laying both sides as flat as possible next to each other can help. Add a new one. Just repeat this for the rest of the heart. At the end, just pull your cord through the first bead. And make your knots. Now we have to repeat the same steps for the outside. Pull your cord through the first bead. Add a new one. Pass your cord through the second bead and add a new one. I show it one more time. As before, at the end, pull your cord through the first bead. And make your knots. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I bring both cords to one side, so the knot is hidden between the beads. Now you can attach your hearts to your earrings. And we're done. These are the finished earrings. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.